Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by changing core settings to favor consistent frame rates and low latency. Set render distance to 8 chunks for smoother frame rates and lower CPU load. Turn off fancy graphics, clouds, and smooth lighting to reduce GPU strain and increase FPS. Lower particle settings to minimal to avoid spikes in crowded scenes. Limit max frame rate to 120 FPS and enable VSync when screen tearing appears. Use 16-bit textures only if memory pressure is low on your system. Next, optimize hardware and drivers for sustained smooth movement and responsiveness. Update GPU drivers to the latest stable release from the vendor website for best performance. Allocate 2 to 4 GB of RAM to Minecraft depending on mod usage and total system RAM. Close background apps that use CPU or disk to prevent stutters during gameplay. Use a 144Hz monitor and 1 ms mouse to reduce input lag and visible motion blur. Finally, refine controls and use trusted mods to smooth player movement and camera motion. Set mouse sensitivity between 0, 5 and 1. 5 for precise turning and consistent camera flow. Tweak FOV to 70-90 degrees to balance view and perceived motion smoothness. Install Optifine and use fast math and smooth FPS features for stable performance and reduced microstutters. Enable 60 tick or higher server settings and use a low latency connection under 50 ms to prevent rubber banding. Practice good movement technique to reduce corrective inputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.